So guys, remember when I said Jimmy was getting a better, faster car? Well, he got the Supra. Yeah, he got it a few days, not a few days ago, but like more than a week ago. And yeah, he got the white one. He's been looking for one for a while. And he wanted white specifically. And around the area, there wasn't any white. So he had to drive all the way to New Jersey to pick it up. So he finally found one. And like I said, I gave him a month to see if he was gonna install anything, and he just installed his downpipe. So yeah, I'm gonna have him talk about it more later. All right, Jimmy, what are we installing today?
So we're installing the race red splitter. You can see it right here. This is the 4-inch one for the Veris bumper, but we'll put an OEM bumper, so we'll see how it looks.
Yeah.
Yep. First thing we did was to remove this part. There's a lot of clips. A lot of clips, take it out. Same thing for the rest up here, all clips all around. So we removed 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3.
You skipped the second one to the bottom?
Yep. I count as 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do 1, 2, and 4. Alright, so now I'm gonna undo all the clips on the bottom, but in the meantime I'll just track the car for a little bit.
Okay. Alright guys, so pretty much Jimmy's taking off the bumper. He took off the 3 bolts on each side here. I remove up here, and he's gonna go ahead and remove the, like 10 clips down there?
A lot of them.
Or a shit ton of clips down there.
Yeah, but just use the ones, just take the ones out that follow the lip itself. And that's it. So now we're gonna remove this whole black plastic panel here in the front. You don't need to remove this little rubber guard because it'll come off with it. So you kind of just follow what it looks like all around. So you'll see you have one Allen key here. I think it's a size 4. Size 5. So you'll be removing a size 5 Allen key right here. And then the rest will just be clips. You see clip. Kind of just literally just follow the whole panel around. Clip, 10 millimeter. There should be 10 millimeter on each end. Maybe this guy. And also, you'll need to remove this guard right here as well. So there's just 2 10 millimeters. And yeah, then you just follow the rest, remove the clips, and that should be it. So you'll also remove these 3 clips that are, so these clips are similar to the ones that are in the corner of the eyelids. So they're really annoying, so they might probably break. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And also, the guard here, there's 3 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. That you remove. Yep. So on each end there'll be 4 10 millimeters that you'll be removing.
Gotcha.
Yep. And that's just the rest are just clips. Just follow the way the panel looks. Hold it, look at it, and yeah. Damn. A lot of clips.
Yeah, so they're really deep in there, huh? So you're gonna need that tool that can reach in and take it out.
This one, no. Just pray a little bit.
You're using a Phillips or a flathead?
Just a flathead. Yeah. Oh, this side. Okay, sorry. So actually, on one end right here, you know the rest are all clips. You have 5 10 millimeters, not 3 or 4. So there's one that was here, one that's in the corner, 3 that's on this little guard shield. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is hidden right here. And you need an extension to get to it. Yep. Damn. And that's it.
Alright, there's that big plastic piece that Jimmy was talking about.
Oh, so now you have to remove this clip behind the front panel on both ends. Remove the clip, and then so essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop both these out. You're gonna pop this one out, and basically on this black panel, you're gonna cut it flush, and also this white piece, you're gonna cut it flush off as well. So basically this whole tab here, you don't want it to be here, or it'll interfere with the brackets.
Gotcha. Alright, so this is fog light cover. You know, remove this piece right here. Yep. Remove this piece right here, this corner. See this? Right here. Let's cut it flush. Yeah, let's do this. I just want to make this.
you go, and then you just bend it, and it should fold. Just like that. And you can just, boom.
Oh, shoot.
So on this side again, you want to just make a line. I just weakened like half of it, and then I bend it and it just broke off. Yeah. And it breaks off. All right, next you go back to the bumper. You see this white tab here. I'm gonna cut that off too. You're not gonna be needing that anymore, so let's do that real quick. You need it flush?
Now you can just chop it off.
Well,
there you go.
Okay, there you go. Hey, and that's it.
Get the piece.
And then we do the other side.
Yep. Alright, so to install the bottom part of the race spread bracket, you'll see this is how it will sit. So you're gonna remove this it's a 14 millimeter bolt. 14 millimeter bolt. You're gonna remove that, and it's gonna sit like this. So what we need to do is that we'll need to chop off the plastic from here to here and here to here. If you wanted, you could save this little piece here if you wanted, but it's just extra work. You don't really need to do all that. Just slice it through here and here, and the splitter holds everything up anyway. So, yeah. And then the more you do it, you know, the easier it'll be. So yeah, so I just did it just a preservation, just to preserve what we can, cut what we need. So yep, bam.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
What size is that again?
14 millimeter.
Remove the bolt. It's pretty long, and this piece right here, it actually attaches to like right there. And so
one of the plastics.
Yeah, but it breaks off like this. It's okay. Just throw the shit away. It's fine. What we did,
we mounted the bottom one on. Now we're just lining these up. It's pretty much how it should be. You mount it on, and then you just push up. And it kind of sits where it needs to sit flush. Just adjust as needed. Yeah, that's just how it wants to sit. So yeah, make our markings.
So I'm gonna hold this for you, and you can make the marking.
Yep. If you can have two people doing it, I recommend. Just mark your holes and drill straight forward. Just the pilot hole. Then we'll switch to the Christmas tree. We'll go to the fourth one. We'll go to 9/16.
9/16.
Stick your pinky in there. You need to make sure there's no loose ends on the back, or else that will cause a big problem when you're doing the rivets.
Yeah.
Just cover it with shavings.
So yeah, guys, if you're doing this, wear eye protection, because this shit flies everywhere.
Yeah, it's metal shavings. Just make sure to sweep afterwards.
Yeah. So to wanna just mount everything, then it should look like this one right here. We have one mounted already. Bolts right there. You go under here. Same bolt that we took off earlier. Let's put that back on. But then you want to do it loosely, right? Because we're gonna adjust and all that.
Yeah, once the splitter's on, so you get perfect alignment.
There you go. Okay, it's recording.
So this is the rivet tool. So we just spun the riv nut on here. It's an M10. So yep, and then this has to be perfectly aligned, and then you just crimp it together.
Okay.
All right, so.
Okay. So, you know what? Let's do this one time.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, you got it.
That's almost easier.
That's good. Yep.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. Maybe this tool is weaker. I thought the other tool last time was much easier to use. But it's alright. Yeah, definitely take the extra time to do this right, because you do not want to mess up these rib nuts. I messed up mine and it was not fun. There you go.
There. Okay, so you want to get this thing right here. And this in here. You want to the side over here, the crash beam.
Yeah.
Middle, just like that, and then like that. And you bolt it on.
So 15.
Alright guys, so something happened to the audio, so I'm gonna tell you what happened. So, we tried putting the splitter on, and like we said, when you attach the brackets, loosely tighten them so that way you have room to adjust. So over here, Jimmy's side went on perfectly, but my side didn't go on. So we were looking to see what we need to adjust. So this is what it looks like when it is hooked on correctly. It hooked on there and hooked on to this bolt here. And this piece slides right in, attached to this wire thing. And what you need to do is just tighten this once hooked on. Alright, after that, so, the splitter comes with this wire thing and this hook. You just hook it up on the bracket that you mounted earlier on the side. And pull this wire as hard as you can. And then you want to just put it in this hole so it won't interfere with anything. Yeah, and so there's a way to loosen it. This is a little flap thing on the side. You'd want to use a flat head to do it. And then here's another angle of me doing the other side. Just pull that thing really hard and put it in the hole. Alright, so all you gotta do is put the bumper back on. You don't have to worry about the clips under because it's not covered with the splitter. Don't forget to put the fog lights on and pretty much put everything in reverse. And after that, you're good to go. Alright, guys, what do you think? So next is springs.
Springs?
Yeah.
Oh, that's definitely. Yeah. You'll have a fun time driving around.
Yeah.
It won't be too bad though.
Kind of.
If I can do it, you can.
Yeah. I kind of script a little bit, but whatever. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Like the video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys next time. Shit. Dude. Thank you so much, dude.